What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Kenny. Welcome back to my channel. So first off, I want to apologize about all the sound over here. They're cutting down a tree, mulching it up, and a little windy too. So today Bigfoot brought his Mercury over today, and it's making a noise, and we have discovered that it is something to do with the stabilizer bar or sway bar, and it'll make a popping noise. Let's see if we can hear it. A little bit. You'll just have to believe us, but yeah, it's making a popping noise. So we're thinking that it's the bushings where it mounts to the frame, and they're like slipping and it's popping as it's doing it. So today's video, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna replace those bushings. So here we go. Alright guys, so we got it up in the air, got the wheels off of it, and we started checking it out, and we noticed it's not even the bushings that mount to the frame, it's the stabilizer link here. I can get you in there to zoom right. And we put a jack under it, and we jack it up just a little bit. You can see that it's slipping right here, like it's loose. So we're gonna check that out and make sure that the hole's not wore out, and see if we can get it tighter, and that way it ain't slipping like that. So I'll bring you back and let you know what happened. Alright guys, so we figured out what the problem is. It ended up being the sway bar or stabilizer bar link at the, hold on man, I'm gonna get you focused here. So it ended up that the threads are wore out right here where that bar was riding, and it was loose. So when you'd hit a bump and it would shift, it was slipping because where it was loose in there, and it was making a popping noise. So instead of just replacing the link, we come up with a brilliant idea to just put some washers on it and build it out a little bit. That way it'll tighten up and pinch it better. So we're going to try that and see if it'll tighten up good and fix it. So I'll bring you back when we do that. Alright guys, so we got it back together. If you can see, we build it out with these washers, that way it puts more pressure on it, that way it'll pinch it and be tighter. Just so you know, it's an 18 millimeter, and then it takes a hex or an Allen wrench in the end of to hold it, and that can be sometimes a pain to do. But now that we got it all together, we checked the other side, it looked good. So now we're gonna put the wheels back on it and test drive it, take it down the road and see if it still does it. I'll let you know. Alright guys, so we took it down the road and test drove it and hit every bump here in town, which is a lot. Every street has got potholes and they're rough as hell, and it didn't do a thing. So we fixed it, I guess. So all it turns out, it was just a loose, wore out bolt on the stabilizer link. But if you like this video, make sure you smash that like button, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I know it's been a while, I need you to join. Please follow along. Yeah, make sure you tighten up all your bolts.
The lesson here is to always check your nuts.
Yep, check your nuts. Always. Anyways, so like I said, like the video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.